In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website multilingual 2026 guide. If you're looking to reach a broader audience and make your content more inclusive, adding multiple languages to your Wix site is a smart move. We'll walk through installing the Wix multilingual tool, configuring it, and setting up your languages and visual cues so visitors can easily switch between them. I'll also share a few practical tips along the way to help you make confident choices during setup. First, let's install the Wix Multilingual app. In your Wix editor, look to the left-hand toolbar and click Add Apps to open the app market. In the search bar at the top, type Wix Multilingual. From the results, select the official Wix Multilingual app and click Add to Site. This step brings the language management features into your editing environment so you don't have to juggle separate tools. Once it's added, you'll notice options appear that are specifically designed to help you manage multiple languages consistently across your pages. Next, it's time to configure your multilingual settings. Head to the top of your editor and click Settings, then choose Multilingual from the drop-down. Select Get Started to launch the guided setup. The wizard is there to streamline the process, so follow it step by step. This helps ensure your choices apply site-wide and keeps everything organized from the start. Now, set your languages and visual cues. Begin by confirming your main language, the default language your site content is written in. Choose carefully here because you won't be able to change the main language after this stage. Think of it as the foundation that all other translations or secondary languages build upon. Next, choose a flag icon that will represent a language on your site. This icon acts as a visual prompt for visitors to switch languages. Make sure the icon you pick is clear, easy to recognize, and fits your site's design. Finally, add your secondary language. Select the additional language you want to support so your site can serve a wider audience. This sets the stage for maintaining content in more than one language, keeping navigation intuitive for your visitors. Beyond setup, remember why this matters. A multilingual site enhances accessibility by making it easier for non-native speakers to understand and engage with your content. It also opens your brand to a global audience, which can lead to better engagement, higher satisfaction, and more opportunities for growth. And that's it. With the Wix multilingual tool installed, configured, and your languages selected, your site is ready to welcome visitors in more than